How to check TikTok chat history. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, locate your TikTok application and then open it. Now go to your profile icon from your bottom right corner. After that, go to the menu bar. Go to settings and privacy. Then go to account. Here go to download your data. Now simply select your file format and then select direct messages. Then tap on request data and then it will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.